Echinopsis Cactus winter care specifically. So I have an Echinopsis cactus right here. It is in, the mix that it's in is almost completely rocks. I think this is Desmondia, which means it has bright pink flowers in the spring and summer. But the tags kind of got messed up when we were moving, so I don't know. It does have dirt. It looks like it has a lot of dirt right here, but that's only because some dirt fell into it from my other plants. It's actually like the mix it's in is almost completely just stones. Like it's just little pebbles. So, and that's what I do. That's how I plant most of my cactuses in. I plant it in Bonsai Jack's succulent mix, and it's basically just stones with a little bit of bark chips in it. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to clean the cactus of pests. So I have this mixture of lemon juice, alcohol, and a little bit of water. And we're gonna take a paintbrush, dab it in, and just kind of pat it a little bit like this. And this should kill spider mites, scale, aphids, anything like that. So the thing with cactuses, or at least this specific type of cactus, Solanacereus is different, but with desert cacti, not jungle cacti, desert cacti, like Echinopsis, I actually do not water them at all in wintertime. I stop watering them around September or October, and I don't water them again until like May or maybe April, maybe the end of March. It just kind of depends. But yeah, this is a desert cactus, and I do not water it at all in the winter. Right now it's January, so it's not gonna get any water for a couple of months. But I'm going to take the cold weather and this opportunity, because it's cold, to kind of get rid of the pests that are there, because they don't multiply as quickly in the winter time, so it's kind of easier to get rid of them in the winter. So I'm gonna cover the entire cactus with this lemon juice, alcohol, and water mixture. We're gonna see how well that works. But yeah, Solanacereus and Epiphyllum cacti are the ones that I water throughout the winter. These ones go completely dormant. They don't need water. I won't water them until spring at all. Like maybe the end of March. And if at the end of March they plump out a little bit, because like right now when you squeeze the sides, it's really prickly. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna poke it with a paintbrush. It has a little bit of give, and not much actually. If I water it, it's probably not gonna drink anything at all. It's gonna sit in the water because it's dormant right now. In the springtime, I water it, and I wait, and I see if it plumps up at all. If it plumps up, that means it's not dormant anymore. And that's why planting it in stones, like a really well-draining mix, is incredibly important, because if you water it too soon or too late in the fall and it doesn't drink, it's just gonna sit there in the water and it's gonna rot. So you want something that is gonna dry really quickly, leave a lot of room for air, and yeah, something well draining so it doesn't rot. All right, now I'm gonna go around the base of the cactus. Again, I don't want to water the cactus, so I'm not gonna drench the soil. I just wanna make sure I'm getting any pests at the base. So I'm gonna kind of, this only should be done like once or twice a year. It should only be done like once or twice a year. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean this one. I'm gonna put it aside, and I'm going to put it kind of in quarantine from my other plants. and I'm gonna see if the pests come back, and if not, I'm going to do this to the rest of my cacti, and then in spring, hopefully we don't have any insects. Although I am going to be putting these outside on my porch, so I don't know what's gonna happen to them in the summer. But in winter time, next year we'll just do all this again if it works. All right, I don't know how well I got the base because I was talking, I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. I even see some dead spider mites, so that's really good. They're dead. We don't want them because they suck the life out of the cactuses and other plants. They're really not good for orchids either. Yay! Ah, clean. Look at that, clean cactus. No more pests. Awesome.